Hi everybody, welcome to this little video. It's only a short video, just a little trip down to Oyster Harbour and Emu Point last week when we had one day of sunshine. We haven't done any videos at all, we haven't been away anywhere really. It's been too bad weather-wise, wind, rain, and we just haven't had a chance to get out and get any videos. As most of you probably know, we do our videos live, so we do them when we can and then we'll put them up for viewing as soon as we can. So what you're seeing is what we did last week or during even 2 days ago. So we won't get ahead of ourselves until we start the travelling, with all the current situation with lockdowns, and we just can't seem to get anywhere with it at the moment. But we'll keep pushing on, we'll keep popping up with videos every now and again. So I hope you keep watching and waiting for the better videos. And now the good news. Oh, there's that dog. The good news, we did get away on Friday, I think it was. We managed to get up to Mount Barker and out to the Prongerups and down South Coast Highway back into town. So we will get that video sorted out for everybody and we'll get that posted up this weekend. So thanks to all the people that made inquiries about our welfare. Yes, we are good and we are still moving around. So see you later, bye everybody.